Hey guys, I wanted to make a review video on this Workpro. This is the Mini Circular Saw. This is a 4.5-inch blade, and this thing is a powerhouse. Comes with everything you need, plus it's so compact. So thanks a lot to Workpro for sending this out. Comes with a tool bag. Store everything in there. You got your directions. You got, what's awesome, it comes with 3 blades. So you've got a wood plastic mini saw blade. This is a 60 tooth, and then also comes with a diamond mini blade, which is going to come in handy for cutting ceramics and tile and maybe cinder block, different things like that. Then also installed on here is a saw blade. This is your wood saw blade, and this is a 24 tooth, very nice, a small, very small kerf, and very thin, so you're not going to take out a lot of wood when cutting it. So let me show you some other features here. You got the laser on top, so that's super awesome. You're going to be able to strike a line and see where you're at with a laser built in. Also has a dust tube that's attached that will get that dust out of the way, and sawdust as well. Comes with a straight line. Or a straight edge. I'm going to put that on and show you. 20-volt battery, tons of power. It's a 4-amp, so it's got lots of power. Has even a button on here to tell you how much battery power is in there. Good and solid, heavy duty, and then it comes with a charger as well. So let's cut some things and I'll show you just how easy and awesome this is. So a few different features on it. You've got the lock for the depth. Also have the lock for the angle of the blade as well. And then, like I said, it has a built-in laser right down here on top. You've got the button, the switch right here for that straight line. You've got your trigger button right here, but also a safety built in, so you got to press that first, then pull the trigger. Let's add some power to this thing. And just like that, really a good weight. It's power. Okay, so let's test this out and see how it cuts. Super like butter. Now what's awesome also is it has this straight edge, so you can put this in on either side, this side, or you can put it in on this side. Tighten down. Also comes with an Allen wrench to be able to take off the blade as well as tighten this down. And you'll see on the straight edge it has numbers, so you set it to the width that you want, and now as you cut you'll have the exact spacing correctly for whatever you have measured, and you can go just right down the board. Insert it on the other side so you can cut from both sides. Now, one other feature I haven't had connected is this dust collection tube. So you can use with or without. So if you're needing a small 4.5-inch hand saw, this is the one for you. Lots of power, does everything you need. For some smaller jobs, you're not going to be cutting a super thick material. And then also what's awesome is it comes with this blade, the ceramic blade, the diamond bit, and then the fine finish tooth, 60 tooth blade as well. But yeah, great product from Workpro. Charger, everything you need. Great product. If you're needing a saw, highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.